Good morning guys, welcome back. It's 2026 and this is our first trip away. So we're doing a camping trip this weekend, just an overnighter up in the mountains. So it should be a good day. We've got a couple of good tracks to go and have a drive on. Haven't been out here for a little while. And then we've got a great little secret campsite in mind. So hopefully we can get there. So that's our plan for the day. But everyone's behind me there, just airing down. And then we're going to head off. Let's go. Just stopped here. We've got a nice little creek crossing on our way. So I'll just film some of these guys coming across it. Well, that's a nice little spot. We just stopped here for a bit of morning tea real quick, and I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep pushing on deeper into the mountains and make our way over to this, hopefully, fingers crossed, ripper little campsite I've got in mind. So we'll see. Okay, we have arrived at the entrance to the secret camp spot. So here it is behind me, which is good. That means no one's down here. So I'd say we'll have the place to ourselves. We've just got to get down here. So this will be a bit of fun. But yeah, ripper spot, well hidden. Don't ask me, I'm not going to tell you. Just go out, go exploring, and you'll find these great spots too. Okay, so I've turned off onto the secret camp spot track, and I'll turn the camera around. As you can see, it's very well hidden.
Guess I should have put the wrap on last week.
So we've got Rod walking in front of us, clearing the track as we go. We all were just out doing a section back there because it was really thick, but we're sort of slowly chipping away at it, getting to where we want to go. So we've got a tree down, burnt one. It's not a game changer, but we'll have to move this out the way and then we can keep going. I'll just walk down here a bit and sort of show you what we're dealing with. Like, they're behind me. Yeah, it's just been well and truly forgotten about this track. But the reward at the end will hopefully be worth it. But yeah, we've got a bit of work to do here, I think. I think we're going to have to stop and have some lunch too, because it's about lunchtime. We've come across an even bigger tree down, so we're going to cut that out and keep going. It's a bit bigger than the last one. Bloody ripper. Good job, guys. Oh, so we made it. And the sand is just there. So we're going to go down, find a camp, have a swim. Well, we're down at the river. What a massive effort that was. But everyone worked together and we got down here. So it was a big job, big job. A bit thicker than I thought it'd be, but we got the job done. Anyway, that river's looking pretty inviting behind us. I mean, look at this, middle of nowhere, up in the mountains. Beautiful. So I think some of them are going in. I'm going to join them. Give us a cheers, mate. Oh yeah, not bad at all. What else would you rather be doing on a summer's day? Oh, lovely. Kids are having a good time? Yeah, real nice. We came just back up from the river onto the grassy section here, and we've all set up camp. We're only here for one night, so we're just sort of roughing it, you know, swags on the ground. And yeah, just gonna kick back and relax now for the rest of the afternoon. Pizza and chicken nuggets for dinner. Yummo. Morning guys, it's the next morning now, so some of us have woken up and had breakfast, and the others are sort of just not far behind. They're getting themselves organised. Just come down to the river here to freshen up and have one last look before we head off this morning. Ripper spot, definitely be back here, and I'm sure we'll have it all to ourselves again. I'll just film a bit of this track that leads from our campsite down to the river here, because it's yeah, it's a little bit of fun getting down actually. So I'll just film it going up as I walk up. I'll turn the camera around. It's in about 3 or 4 steps, a bit tight between the trees. So this has been the first trip of 2026 for us. Thank you for watching. If you like following along on our adventures, please think about subscribing. We'd love to have you along, and we'll see you next month for another drive somewhere out in the bush. Thanks for watching.